what I thought of Jewish music when I first started listening to it is this is the most sappy, horrible, waste of time junk I've ever heard. And to go another step, I didn't think about it because it wasn't worth thinking about. But what you're missing is the first Jewish music I heard was not this klezmer stuff in 1979 or 80 from these old recordings. The first Jewish music I heard was the stuff when we went to Temple. And that was just like bad singers doing bad amateur choral versions of bad Israeli stuff. Why would I even want to listen to that in the slightest? I wouldn't, you know. And you know, I mean, and most of the music in our temple was of that kind of quasi-Germanic Protestant liturgy, you know, that was endemic in 1960s Reform American temples. So, you know, I mean, all I remember is sitting next to my brother, who was a couple years older than me, at the end of the service, which we were bored terribly, at the Ushmo, Ushmo, Ushmo Echad, poking each other, going, "You're a shmo, you're a shmo." The first klezmer I heard was in preparation for that concert, and we got these cassettes of transfers of old 78s of Abe Elstein, Itzikel Krumpweiss, these early orchestras, and I said, "Wow, this is really great music." So I was very, you know, and at that point, like I said, I was discovering all the great music of the world, and so it was right up there. I mean, I guess there was maybe one degree of, well, that's cool that you know, Jewish music is on the list of great musics with, you know, with Haitian music and Balkan music and Charles Ives and Charlie Parker. You know, it was nice to know that it wasn't like all that stuff and then Ushmo, Ushmo, Ushmo Echad.